Nyakora magero ni murami wadhiane eromono kama Gavana ma Homa Bay Gladys Wanga ni enyim komiti mar od bura ma senet mang'iyo kaka kaunti tiyo gi omenda jopiny ma otele kod seneta ma Homa Bay Moses Kajwang' maduoko penjo ewi report ma janon buge maduong' mar sirikal e iko omwom mar higa 2023-2024. Wadhiane achiel kachiel nyaka od bura mondo wane kaka weche dhi gi e sani.
Anything when they go to hospitals. It's that simple.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Because I've been given a conditional question and you want me to say yes or no, the answer is yes.
Thank you. Yeah. And I think the Governor, you alluded to it. Yes. So some of the things we are hearing in the political platform might not be factual. When we are told that when the hospital level 1 up to level 4 no usilipe chochote, but kwa ground things could be different. But since this system started in October, I think it is in this forthcoming financial year that we'll be able to get a better view on it. Now, we had said that the chair of the board was to help us to understand the budgeting process, but I want us to deal with a very specific issue on the system first, and then I'll ask the chair to speak after that.
Chair, I have queued for some time.
Oh, sorry, Senator Cherardi.
I think you should not.
Because the system question, you're the one who asked.
Yes.
That's why I wanted you to respond.
You are doing very well. You should not be intimidated since you are presiding over your county. But just avoid a few biases here and there. Chair, I just want note number 11, area of county assets. Governor, the area of stadium, park and open spaces, you in 2023-2024, and I want to assume you came into power towards the end of September 2022-2023 after being sworn in. You raised 1,723,726, but in the previous financial year, you did not raise anything. What is the reason? That is page number 10. Because I think there is a park called Senator Moses Kajwang'. What is the park in Homa Bay? It's called Weno or Werwa. What was the name? Do you have a park? The MCA Waka?
No, I think put the question to the Governor.
No,